Alright, yeah boy. Now picture this. You've just returned from an epic trip and you're eager to share your experiences to the world. You sit down, you write your travel video script, but you are not sure where to start. Ha! Been there, done that. In this video, I will be sharing with you my experiences and common mistakes that I've made so that you will be able to avoid these things whenever you are writing your own travel video script. Right now. Hey there, my name is Paul and today we are going to talk about the common mistakes to avoid when writing your own travel video script. Whether you are a seasoned travel vlogger or just starting out, these mistakes could be holding you back from creating the best content possible. So let's dive in. When you're creating a travel video, it is important to remember that it's not all about you. That's right, it's not all about you. Don't just show yourself having a good time, but try to focus on destination and experiences, especially the experiences that make it unique. For example, instead of just showing yourself lounging on the beach, okay? Try to showcase the local culture or food and the people around you. Every great travel video has a clear theme or message going on. Don't just document your trip, but tell a story that resonates with your audience. For example, if you are creating a video about your trip to Japan, don't just show the sights, but also tell the story about the unique cultural traditions you have just experienced. Voiceover is an important part of any travel video, but over-editing it can make it sound unnatural. So instead of trying to sound like a professional narrator, be yourself, speak naturally. For example, if you stumble upon a word or laugh during your voiceover, just leave it. It adds that authenticity to your video. Also, sometimes when I do my voiceovers, I read them as if I'm talking to a friend, like this one. That way, it's gonna come out as natural as possible. This is a mistake that I often do. So be sure to film everything from landscapes to the details. You can always edit later, but you can't go back and capture a moment you have just missed. For example, let's say you are filming a sunset, but you stop recording before the sun completely disappears. That could have been the best shot of the day. So in order to avoid situations like this, here's a tip for you, okay? Use my 3-shot rule. If you have a particular subject, you shoot it 3 times. Shoot it wide, shoot it medium, and shoot it macro. That way you're good, you're covered, you have coverage in your edits. Context, it's everything when it comes to travel videos. Don't just show the sights, but give your audience a sense of the place. For example, instead of just showing a beautiful waterfall, talk about a bit of history or why the locals love that waterfall. Or better yet, ask locals about myths regarding that place. Now that is one hell of a story to tell. Editing is as important as filming when it comes to your travel videos. Use your footage to tell a story, okay? Don't be afraid to experiment with different things and different editing techniques. For example, if you are creating a video about a road trip, use jump cuts to show different locations you've visited, or a time-lapse or a hyperlapse or 360 videos. Travel videos don't have to be all about highlights. Don't be afraid to show the mundane, everyday moments of your trip. For instance, instead of just showing beautiful sunrise, show waking up early, catching this sunrise. Now, don't forget to include your audience in your travel videos. Ask them questions, engage them, and make them feel like they are part of your journey. So, for example, ask your audience to suggest places to visit on your next video or answer their questions about your trip in the comments section. Now, how do you apply all of these things that I have just said in your video? Try watching these videos right here to know more about how to construct your very own travel video script. And of course, if you find this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like. It would mean a lot to me, and that it kind of tell what you guys want from this channel, okay? So give it a like, subscribe, and let's all learn, create, and share. Peace out.